Hello everyone. Today I would like to share a simple and delicious recipe that I often make for my family. It is a warm and soft steamed egg dish and my family loves it very much. I like this dish because it is easy to make and it always makes everyone smile. First, prepare 5 fresh eggs and place them in a bowl. Break the eggs and mix them until they become smooth. Make sure the yolks and white are fully mixed without any lumps. Next, add a little bit of salt and half a cup of water to the eggs. Mix everything so the flavor spreads evenly. Then pour the eggs mixture into a microwave bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a plate to keep the moisture inside. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat it for about 5 minutes. When the steamed eggs are cooked, take the bowl out carefully because it is very hot. You can also add a few drops of sesame oil for a little smell and taste. Now your warm and soft steamed eggs are ready to enjoy. These simple dishes always bring comfort to our home, especially on busy days. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it with your family just like I do. Thank you for listening.